Blast up, everyone! Welcome back to the second episode of The Sims 4. We don't have a lot of time before my computer dies, but I'm gonna go grab the house and see you when we get it. Bye. Hello, guys. Hello. No, I blast up. Well, that's okay. Well, this is our house. We're gonna spruce it up a lot because this thing is a mad ugly. I like to see mad and ugly and all that shit. I hope you guys can hear me. Let's put the walls up and seal. Everything is fine. We need doors to get into places. I don't have custom content doors. Well, sorry guys, my voice is just not feeling so good. I am actually think I might take this room away. Or just make it a little tiny guest room. These rooms are kind of small. But that's okay. I'm okay with that. We're totally good. He might adopt a child. I'm not positive if I really want her to. No, this is gonna actually be recorded. So I'll fill you guys in with the story. So her parents, well, her mom passed away when she was 13. She was just born. So their father decided to take care of them, and then he decided to leave. Don't tell anyone. He didn't tell anyone. So he left them to fend for themselves. He didn't tell them that they were leaving. He didn't say anything. So they just had to fend for themselves, do everything themselves, which she must have. She goes to school once in a while. She gets taken to daycare, but she can't afford it that much. So she really can't afford it because it's really expensive. So she stays home a lot with her. But since she's a toddler now, she can kind of, what's the button? I'm stupid. There we go. So she really can't do things herself or anything. But like, it's getting to the point where they, where she needs to work too. So they will start working. She will start working, and when she ages up to a teenager, there can be more than she can. And when she gets aged up to a child, she will start working like more because she can stay home or go to a friend's house. Shit like that. But it's really hard for them to do this themselves. This is gonna be kind of like a half bath, not half bath, but it's so good. Well, this is the house that they were living in. So, but we're gonna spruce it up like for Christmas. So guys, Christmas, I don't know if all of you guys celebrate Christmas. If you don't, it's not even Thanksgiving yet. So, I could use the custom content, but I have to have a certain kind of lights. I like to use my favorite kind of lights. These is this. Cats, I don't know. I don't know if I really were gonna get the cat a bed, but if I do, then I do. But she's more of a rebel, but since she has to take care of her sister, she has to dial down a little bit. But that's hard on her because she's only 16. She will be 17. Not soon. I don't think it's soon. She'll be 17. But like whenever she does turn 17, then but like she's really rebel. She spent the night at her boyfriend's house. She hasn't got pregnant, but she thought she did. So she was scared to tell her parents, but she wasn't. She was upset a little bit, but she was fine with it. But she was okay. Sorry if you hear music in the background. But we have a time limit on this video. That sucks, but we do. I want this fireplace. Here. Where are the Christmas trees? Oh, this is cute. Super cute. We didn't make a place for it. Yeah, we keep doing that, sorry guys. I want to put the Christmas tree here. I'll put carpet right here. Have you guys started to decorate for Christmas if you celebrate it? I haven't. But like, I'll try to post a day for Christmas. Like, I'll try to, but there's a possibility that there will not be one to the like. But that's okay, right? We all don't have time for. I don't have time for this. But this video is just like decorating the house and all that. There we go. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff I like. Do you guys play Roblox? 'Cause I have some videos of Roblox. And they should get Christmas trees and everything because there's like. I wish this person could. I don't know how to make things smaller. Well, I think that's good enough. I suck at doing all this. So. Yeah, well, there might not be a tree. That's okay. I don't want that. Sorry guys, but I kind of want this video to get over with because we're already at 10 minutes. No holiday. Oof, my neck hurts. That's cute. I know I can't always do things. Is there snow? I don't know if there's snow. Gonna be snow. I don't know if they put that in. Oh yes, we need the. I don't have that pack. Oh, it sucks. Okay. Oh my god, these are so cute. We had to put them in the house. Sorry guys, just okay. I'll put a speaker. We need a couch. Oh, I'll turn this up. Alright guys, check out my how to download this so you can make YouTube videos. I'll go with this one. No. Damn it. Well, guys, I think this is where we're gonna end it here. I hope you guys have an amazing day. But I think we're gonna end it here. Bye, guys. That's love. We're gonna next video. We're gonna play and everything. Bye, everyone.